Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Asus ROG Strix Gaming RTX 3080 Ti OC. So this is not the normal, this is the OC version. This is very cool and a very souped up version. I have checked this with a lot of things and it goes nearly toe to toe with my overclocked Aorus Master RTX 3090. So this video is just for you guys to basically understand what to expect out of the box immediately. I'd like to let you guys know that this is not a true unboxing. I've already opened up the box to do some testing and connect it to my system. However, it's in pristine condition, as you guys will see. Now, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that I fund everything on this channel myself. This ROG Strix costs over $2,000 in Australia, which is a lot of money, and I pay for that out of my pocket. I've got other commitments such as family, friends, mortgage and all that. I'm just a regular guy like you guys. So if you appreciate that, all you have to do is super thanks if you can afford it. Any sort of donation would be helpful, or check out my Patreon. If you can't afford that, all you have to do is subscribe, like and watch more videos to support my content. Without further ado, let's get the unboxing underway. It's quite a bit bigger than any other RTX 3080 Ti's and their boxes. So the box is actually quite big, even compared to the Tough Gaming. The Tough Gaming has a smaller box and a smaller footprint physically as well. Nice and beautiful Strix written on it. There's nothing much to see here other than that on the box. Let's open it up. Once you open it up, you'll see some cushioning on one side, which is really good to see. And then you see the card itself. Let's get the card out of the way. It also comes with some lineage, which just says ROG Strix on it. And in there you've got all the manuals and booklets and stickers and all the little things that you get for having a Asus card. Okay, let's get the card looked at. Now, before opening it up, I obviously touch something to get all the static electricity out of my body. Otherwise, one might short the card or any computer component naked where you're touching the PCB. So look at that card. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's big. It's huge. It's got 3 8-pin power connectors. It's got a lot of RGB. It's got 3 display ports and 2 HDMIs. And you get a massive heatsink with it, which is quite dirty. Because of all the testing I've been doing, I ramp it all up. Now behind it you've got the performance and quiet mode, which is denoted, which is really good to see. And with any GPUs you get a little cover over the PCIe Express. Now that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know below what do you guys think about it and what do you guys want me to compare it against. With all the 4090 and 4080s now out, I think you can snap up a really good bargain on the 4080 Ti's, which are, in my opinion, one of the best last gen cards you can get. You don't have to go the 24 gigs of a 3090 where the backside isn't cooled properly and it can have heating issues, but the 3080 Ti nearly has the same amount of RT cores, CUDA cores and Tensor cores, making it a 3090 mini, which I've been saying for a while. And the ROG Strix is one of the best absolute mammoth card with mammoth cooling and overclocking capacity you can get in that variant. Alright guys, like, subscribe, super thanks if you can, and I really appreciate everyone here. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.